man. Hey. All right, so today I got an unboxing for you. I got actually a couple unboxings. I'm not sure what box is which, so we're gonna try to, depending on what box I open, is what unboxing video we're gonna do today. So that's pretty much how we're gonna do it. I want to do the Cordless Master, so I kind of gotta guess what box the Cordless Master is in. And I got the box that's on my phone right now. And I got these other 3 boxes. I already know what this box, I already know what that box is. What's this from? I think this is my camera. My new vlogging camera. I think this is the master. I think this is the master. So we're gonna open this one. Let's hopefully I'm right. So it is the master. All right, introducing to you guys. I wish I had some better lighting though. Let's go over here. I don't have my setup, you guys. This guy here is the same day. Y'all better get a couple of videos the same day. So, all right, I did a little overspooning stuff. All right, so gold Andis Master unboxing. What comes in it? Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Or that. Or that. I care about this, right? That's what everybody want to see, right? Am I the first YouTuber to have this on YouTube now? The first one, because ain't nobody want to pay the price. That's thumbnail. Nobody wants to pay the price, you feel me? So, we got the Gold Andis Limited Edition Master. Cordless Master. Alright. Y'all can look at this, pause this, because I hate when I look at videos. Y'all already know. It's the same, pretty much the same thing as the other Master. 9 minutes of runtime, blase, 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 blase. It comes with the guards, right? It comes with the guards. This one comes in a box. So you got a 0, 1 through 4 guard, no 1.5. Charger stand, all that good stuff, right? We're not gonna waste no time, because y'all didn't come here to hear me talk about this. From what I'm being told and hearing, and you guys can look at the specs yourself. Like I said, I'll show you the specs one more time. You can pause it, because I'm not going to go through it. Reading is fundamental, so y'all can read this yourself if you can read it. Can you read it? All right, good. Sorry if the video is a little oversaturated or overexposed. I had to because I don't have any lighting in here. All right, so here we go. It's the box that comes in. Pretty, I'm trying to cut this good. So here we go. Boom. Go ahead and open it up. Boom, we got the Gold Master. We already okay, I'll show you guys some other stuff, all right? I guess we gotta do this unboxing the official way, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get to the master, obviously. We're gonna get to the master. I know y'all wanna see that. We're gonna get to the master. Let me go ahead and be the official YouTube guy, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what comes in the box. We're gonna do this right. You know what I'm saying? I gotta put my bling on. And I gotta show y'all the original, because this is gonna be a comparison video of the regular master, Cordless, and the new one. So here we go. This is the old master, right? I have the gold blade, but I don't like the gold fade blade. It ain't my cup of tea. All right, so this is what you get in the box, man. This little box, you got your gold charger stand. Flip this over. Go ahead and open this up. And I know what you guys really want to know in this video. We're gonna get to that, right? Gold charger stand. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Does the old one fit? Yes, it does. Of course it does. It's the same freaking clipper, so of course it's gonna fit. Then in this box, you got your guards. Another thing. So, got a manual that nobody never reads. Here go your guards, and they are the ones with the blue. So these aren't like, I have guards that are black, but these are blue though. So I think it would have been better if they would have had the black guards, but that's okay because I got those guards anyway. And I got the purple magnetic guards as well. You get charger. Oh man. You get an extra one of these. That goes in your blade. That goes in your cam. You got some oil. So, let's get to the clipper. I'm making a mess up here. Let's get to the clipper now. This is what y'all want to see. This is what everybody wants to see. This is the only reason why I bought this, because I want to know too. Let's go ahead and get to the clipper, man. Boom. Sealed. Y'all see it, man. Gold. All gold. Gold blade. Blade's the same. You know what I'm saying? This one's a little crooked. But blade's the same. You know what I'm saying? Everything same size. Like I said, this is just a custom one. It has a custom face. You can see the difference in mine. Mine says Andis Master, and the other one says Master Cordless Limited Edition. And then, like I said, I have the gold blade, but I don't like it on there. And you guys seen that last video I should have posted. The blade was freaking smoking. So, the moment of truth, man. The moment of truth that everybody wants to know. Is this clipper going to be loud like this clipper is? I'm going to give you guys, we're going to get to that, but I'm going to tell you guys right now, I think they're going to be the same sound. I think they're going to be the same sound. Here is, oh, wait. Let me go ahead and oil the clipper. I'm going to go ahead and oil it too. Ain't nobody say nothing. Ain't nobody say, you didn't even oil the blade. I don't want to use other oil because I ain't got nothing in my house to open it with yet. Actually, yes, I do have the scissors right there, but that don't matter. I know what you guys are going to say, man. Hurry up and turn the clipper on. Okay, got you. I also want nobody in the comments saying, man, the blade wasn't oiled. We all want to know. This is how the original clipper sound like, right? Does this one sound like that? I'm gonna say yes. Here we go. 3, 2. So yes, it's still leaking. It's still loud. It's on. There goes my light. It's still loud, but it's not as loud. But it's new too. And it's dying. Here we go. Comparison. It's the video that y'all wanted. I know y'all been searching YouTube trying to find out if this master is loud. Here we go. Okay. It's a little quieter, a little. It's still like it's quieter, no cap. but I'm probably gonna change this on mine. Maybe I need to change it and see if there's a difference. But this, you can hear the actual extra rattling and stuff like, look it. So here's a Goldmaster. It's quieter. It's quieter. It is quieter. Okay, let's do a comparison. Hold up. Y'all know. Y'all ain't even knowing. Bro, I got clippers, bro. We're gonna run this straight through. No cuts. Straight through. Ergo. Babbleless. Only got 2 hands. Here we go. Babbleless custom effects. It's not that much. This is freaking leaking oil everywhere. It's not that much louder. It's definitely a fingerprint magnet. You guys should expect that though. It's freaking gold. So I don't want nobody to be like, oh, the cons of it is it's a fingerprint magnet. It's a con. It's a fingerprint magnet. Shut up. Shut up. It is reflective gold. It's not matte. It's gonna be freaking fingerprint magnet. Somebody's gonna say that. Just like the Ergo is. That's what you get when you get this kind of finish. Anyway, we know this is gonna be quieter. So yes, it's gonna be louder than the Ergo. It's gonna be a little bit louder than the Babbleless, but it's gonna be a lot quieter in comparison to the original. Hear that rattle? This is what y'all came here for. Y'all probably look for this video everywhere. Straight off deployment, man. Straight off deployment. Ain't been here 2 hours yet, and this house list. There it is, man. There it is. There's your video. Thank you, DC, for buying the $400 clipper and let us know that it's a little bit quieter. How does it cut? I don't know yet. I'm pretty sure it cuts amazing, just like the other one does. Only thing I didn't like about the other one is it was just loud. That's it. I see another difference is the housing over here is different. There's a I think they did something different right here. See how this is like, I gotta turn this around for y'all so y'all can see this. You can see on the other one, see how it's the flushes of it. This one is like they put a little bit more padding. I don't know. See the difference right here? That, it's like some more cushion in there compared to this one. That was like more flush, but this one like has padding in it. I'll actually have to take this off with a T tool, but not gonna do that. But yeah, man. Yeah, I got clippers, y'all. I got clippers, bro. I got clippers, bro. So yeah. So there you guys have it, man. Gold Andis Cordless Master limited edition. You got the sound how it sounds. I mean, you got the sound how it sounds. You got to hear how it sounds. I love this all gold. It looks freaking sick. But it has oil on it because I put too much oil on it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that, man. Like, share. Well, I ain't gonna say that. I've been telling myself I'm gonna stop saying that. Because you're either gonna do it or you're not. Me telling you to do it ain't gonna make you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace. Oh, wait. If you want to see me use this clipper and see how it cuts, even though I'm pretty sure it cuts like the old one, but you want to see how it cuts, let me know in the comments below. I will tell you that. If you guys want to see me do a haircut with this clipper only, Let me know in the comments below. I will say that. So I want to know if you guys want to see that. So I waste my time making content that y'all ain't going to watch. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's it, baby. Oh, don't worry about that. A little sweaty. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'll see y'all in the next video, man.